Wow. Hello. Mic check. You okay? Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are connected and watching me from. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, and I want to welcome you to today's trading session. I hope you are doing good. If you are connected with me, kindly type in your name and your location. Where are you connected from? Where are you connected from? Let's get to know each other. I'm streaming right here from Dallas, Texas, and I believe you are doing well. So today we are going to be trading NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the market and see where we are. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, okay? Everything I'm doing is just for educational purpose only. Only trading to show you what is working for me. So you can decide to follow what I'm doing, but I'm not showing you or I'm not telling you how to use your money. You have the decision. So either the outcome is positive or negative, you are so responsible for the outcome of your trade. Okay, today might be a losing day and it might be a winning day. That is trading. So always, trade and invest with the money you can afford to lose. Okay, so what you can control when you trade is just your uh your risk. Okay, it's your risk. So that is only what you can control. Control your risk. Okay, let me know if you can see my screen. This is 8:26 from Dallas Central Time right here. So any moment from now, the market will be open. Let's try to take a look and see where we are. I'm on 5 minutes right now. So I'm going to be stepping down to 1 minute, but I just want to see where we are first. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at the calendar, the news calendar. It looks like there's going to be news today. Today is a Tuesday, so there's going to be news by 9 a.m. Central Time. And if you are in Eastern Time, that will be 10 a.m. And since we are trading NASDAQ, so that is the only, I believe that's the only news that we are concerned with. So let's go back to our trade. So I'm going to be going down to 1 minute. So because of the trading session is so quick, sometimes we trade together for like 30 minutes. I go to 1 minute, but usually I don't really trade on 1 minute. I trade on 5 or 15 minutes for day trading. Now, on 1 minute, I'm going to be looking, what I will be doing is I'm going to be looking at the first candle. So the first candle of 1 minute. So if we have a breakout up, I will go long. And if we have a breakout downward, I will short. But then looking at what the market has done within this last 2 days, yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. My bias actually is sell. I think this market is going to be selling today. I mean, I might be wrong, but that is exactly what I'm looking at right now. Because if you go to 4 hours, you will see, if you go to 1 hour, you will see that there's more of a selling pressure. And fundamentally speaking, also a lot of war going on right now about the tariff, US, Mexico, Canada, and so on and so forth. So that also might be affecting the USD. Then when we look into the relative currency strength, also I use FX Blue to check that. You can see that USD is actually weak. USD is weak. Gold is strong right now. So gold is strong. USD is weak. So that also might be affecting this. So like what I'm saying right now, actually looking at this, and I'm going to be putting this sell actually. I hope I have I just put a cell, but I hope I have my copier. Oops, it's not copying. Okay, so I'm going to be closing this trade. My trade is not copying. Can you imagine? So you need to always make sure you check.
Order filled.
Always make sure you check and be sure that, especially if you are using copier. If you
Order
are using copier, always check to be sure that your copier is on.
order
Okay.
filled.
All right. So grow beef. Yeah, flatten all.
Order filled.
Sorry, I closed that trade negative because I didn't know that my trade was on. Okay, so let's go. Let's pick. I think I have a take profit trader also. Okay, we have a lot coming up telling me to buy platinum. I'm not going to be trading platinum. Okay, so let's see. Oops, we missed that move, but it's okay. I'm setting my copier, guys. So I'm just trying to set my copier to be sure that we are good to go. Let me see which account is this one. 424. Okay. I'm trading features, but if you are trading Forex, the same thing still applies, okay? Why is my computer so slow this morning? And I'm trading NASDAQ in case you are watching which currency, which pair am I trading? I'm trading NASDAQ this morning. Okay. Yeah, I think we are good now to go. All right. Okay. So the market is open. As you can see, the first 1 minute right there, it was an indecision candle. So let's see. This looks like we're going to be having a sell. As I said, my stop loss are
Or, 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 order filled.
something is wrong with my computer. It's just slow. And it's making my trade. Oh no. That's not good. Okay. All right. So we're having a breakout upward. As I said, today might be a losing day, it might be a winning day, but my computer messed up my first 5 minutes trade because it was
Order
just
filled.
hanging. I thought I closed the trade. Okay. So we are having, yeah, I had to cut those losses. Let me see if I'll go redeem it back. All right. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Market is playing games this morning. So on 1 minute, you can see we've broken this trend line. So I expect this market now to go up, but it's still whining. Now it's coming back down again. Okay, so I'm going to go to 5 minutes. Let me see what's going on here on 5 minutes. It's just dribbling. All right. I'm looking for my MACD also to turn positive right there, but it's still okay. Yeah, let me see if I can take little profits. Come on, go back up. Yeah, I've caught some losses this morning, so I just have to.
Order filled.
Okay, so we have this taken care of. I remove this one here. There's this supply order block right here. So I'm going to be, I need some music. Okay, I see Mo from UK. How are you doing? Okay, so I think this should buy. This should buy. I mean, taking a look, we break that trend line right there. We break that trend line right there. We break that trend line right there. But NASDAQ is with everything going on right now, we cannot predict. Anything can happen, okay? MACD is still selling. MACD is still selling. RSI is already bullish. Let me see if I can buy up to this supply block here. And if it goes back, my stop loss is below this
Order filled.
candle. Please remember this is 5 minutes, okay? This 5 minutes candle. Okay. All right. So anything can happen from that moment. Okay, guys, anything can happen from that moment. So I cut that again. The reason why I cut it is because of
Order
this
filled.
supply block here. Okay. The reason why I cut that. Okay. So it's mitigated right now. So let's see if we're going to have a retest now. So what just happened now is this is the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, this is the first 5 minutes candle. I need to restart this computer after this session. It's freezing. So this is right here. This is the high. And here, this is the low of the first 5 minutes. So let's see if it will come back again to retest that. You know, it's not always easy trading at the same time training. Let's see the previous day high and low. What do we have? Okay. Start. Okay. So I guess we're going there. All right. This is the high of yesterday, the previous day high. So the market came down and now it looks like it's going to be going. So, okay, so we have here, I need a displacement. Okay. I need this to violently break that zone, come back to retest it, then we're going up. Like right now, anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. We still have this eye here. The market can come there and just like bounces back. Right. All right. Okay, guys, we are trading NASDAQ just in case you are watching. And this is 30 minutes traders. So the goal is to trade for 30 minutes in a day and just go and do something else. So we're breaking out from here now. Okay. So what I'll be expecting is that breakout for it to come back to retest that. Yeah. I want it to come back to retest. We break out. I want it to come back to retest. Remember, this is our first 1 minute candle right here. So it came back, retest, but it looks like this is going up. I guess I exited that trade early. We might be going to this high here. It breaks out from here. I expected this retest, but we didn't have it. See? I'm expecting this retest. Remember, this is the high. It breaks this. I'm expecting it to come back to retest, and it might not. We have three types of breakout, right? We have straight breakout, and we have breakout retest continuation. So I do trade breakout, retest, and the continuation. I think I have a lot in one of these systems. Okay, NAS, buy NAS on 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if that will work. All right. So if you have any question, please just drop your questions. The chat window. You see, we right there, we break out. We're coming to retest. I'm expecting that retest. Okay, you see, good. So we retest that. That is what I'm expecting. But then you don't want this retest to be too much. You don't want this retest to be too much, so it retest. So let's have another bullish candle. I actually expect a violent, like break it violently. But then what we have now is still okay. So there's going to be a news by 9 o'clock. So and anything can happen. The news can push it up or it can crash down. Like what I was expecting a sell today actually. Okay. So I'm on 5 minutes right now. If you are trading gold also is buying right now. I think gold is the strongest right now. NASDAQ is just doing what it's doing. All right. So what do you trade? Is it SIM, more? Is it semi or more? Semi, right? That's the name. So what do you trade? You trade Forex or you trade futures? You can type it on the chat. And are you watching this on YouTube? Do me a favor. I just like to know, what are you trading right now? Are you trading Forex or are you trading futures? If you are trading Forex, then you should be trading NASDAQ or gold or whatever. But it's the same thing, the same strategy that I'm using, you can apply. So now it looks like this is going to continue. If I'll put my stop loss below this week.
Order filled.
I'll put my stop loss below this week. So just in case it violently comes back, I will only be risking that
Order
little.
submitted.
Yeah. But then RSI is bullish, MACD is bullish. So let's see. And of course, we broke this trend line. I was expecting a retest, but then since it didn't come, I put my stop loss below the week of this, okay? Just in case anything can happen. It can just, like as I'm talking, it can violently just reverse against me. So I don't want to lose much. I already caught 2 losses this morning. One, computer messing up. I thought the trade was closed. And one, I thought I was copying to the other account, not knowing that it wasn't copying. So I guess the market is waiting for the news. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock news. And with what I can see, let's see what is happening on 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes candle. So this, I mean, except except this is a manipulation, this looks serious bullish. So I put my stop loss here, but then I think I should come below this 15 minutes. It's okay. I'm still within my risk limit. So just in case, because it's not easy, talking, you're talking, you are also you're talking at the same time you are teaching. Tell you it's not easy. Okay, let me loop my music. I like to have some music going. I like to have some music going when it helps your brain, it helps you to think well. Okay, so let's see. We have this indecision candle. I hope that will continue up because that doesn't look too good. If this closes bearish, then we might be having a reversal because it has taken out this high. And NASDAQ is known for that, NASDAQ is known for that. It will take out, you see, right there. Right there. If let me see if that is the retest I'll be expecting. You see, that's the retest I'll be expecting since. Oh no, that's the retest I'll be expecting. That's the high of London session. So now is getting ready for the news. It's getting ready for the news because the way it was going like that, honestly speaking, that also was not really good. So it's supposed to retest, gather some momentum, clear some, if possible, sweep some liquidity, then fire up. So I'm expecting it at least to get to this place. Let me put my
Order submitted.
yeah, just in case. That's what I'm expecting actually. It's not a good risk to reward ratio because my stop loss is right below here. That is so I'm going to find a way to reduce that. If I can move my stop loss to this entry point, if the market can push up, that's what I'm expecting. It's 8:47, so we have 13 minutes before the news. Let's see, anything can happen. This is the high here. Even if it's going to retrace, I'm not expecting to retrace up to this. But then, like I said, anything can happen with the news. Anything can happen with the news. Okay, if you are watching on YouTube, do me a favor, type in your name and where are you connected from? What are you trading? Are you trading futures? Are you trading Forex? And if you are trading Forex, are you trading personal accounts or are you trading with prop firms? Now, with a feature, this is Apex. So if you want to sign up, you want to join Apex, I trade with Apex and I trade with Tradify. You will get the link at the description box. Sophisticated. When do you plan? Okay, thank you, Stephanie. I didn't scam anybody any money. It was a business loss. If you follow my story, you will know that I lost a lot of money 2-3 years ago, and of course, I'm just getting back myself. Okay, so you can chat with me privately, but instead of you scamming the online. That doesn't sound so well. Anyway, so this is you have this. Let me see. right there. Okay, so it looks like it's going to push, it's going to continue pushing up. It looks like it's going to continue pushing up. Prince, I'm trading now. How you doing, guy? So yeah, I'm going to cut. If this thing push a little bit up, I'm going to move my stop loss to that entry because it's not. Let me see here. But I feel that the market is going to buy actually because it has changed direction now. But then with everything going on, as I said, anything anything can happen. Anything can happen. So you don't want anything can happen. So let me see. I think I'm going to take this little profit. What do you think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think before it takes it back again? Okay. Okay. Let's see. I think it's going. All right. All right. Okay. So I take that. This is 850. I'm just going to hang around to see what's going to happen with the news. Okay, you see, if I didn't take that up now, let me see. My computer is really freezing. I don't know what. So let's see if we are.
Or, or, order filled.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, good news. So we are green today. We are green today. It wasn't really funny. I caught those two losses, but then I've been able to recoup that. So right now we are green, which is good. So now what's just going to happen is wait for the news because right now it's 9 minutes, 9 minutes to 9 minutes to features evangelist Oga Prince. How is everything going? Okay, so we have this. RSI is still bullish. MACD is bullish. Okay. My moving averages, everything now is saying buy. So I was just okay. So here we see we break out from this. Remember, we break out from here. Let me zoom this high. I think I'm still going to enter a buy again because we break out here, we retest, and this is a bullish continuation. So let's come on now. Let's see. So I'm going to put my stop loss
Order
just below here in case anything happens, guys.
Order submitted.
And I hope I'm not going to give back what we just made. But let's see. So this is my stop loss. Let's see if we can push to this place to take profit from here. The goal is to trade for 30 minutes a day, and that's why we call it 30 minutes trader. Okay, so that's 102. It's not a crime if you take your profit early, guys. It is not a crime. You know, there is no rule that say you cannot take, except if you are trading with prop firm that don't allow micro scalping. So this is 152, 167, 137, and I'm going to take that. So that is 192. I'm on 5 minutes. Okay, I'm still going to make it to get to this place. But then I am done now for now. So hopefully it will still push to this. We have, I mean, with what we have now is a strong buy. But let's see what is going on. Yeah. So this is 1 hour candle. This is the previous day high. So the market can push here. So what I will be expecting is the market to get to this, to take out this high, then to close back inside the range. Okay, that is what I'm expecting. Let's go to 5 minutes. I'm just going to give you some insight, what I'm expecting, the market to trade up, take out this high, then close back inside, then sell off. That is what I will be expecting, because if you look at daily, if we go to daily, we'll see that there's also actually more selling pressure than buying. And like I said, with everything going on, is still somebody said I'm wasting pips. You want me to jump in right here again? I'm sorry. I'm not going to jump in again, because 6 minutes to the news. 6 minutes to the news. So, and with the news, anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. 5 minutes, it can sell off. Okay? It can sell off with everything going on with Mexico or Mexico, US, and Canada. If you go to 4 hours, you will see this 1, 2, 3 on 4 hours, they are bearish. Okay, they are bearish. If I take out this to make it clean, so take a look. Let me remove this. You see this 1, 2, 3. Then this indecision. So if you now look at it from here, let's say you take it from here and come over here. So this is 4 hours. So if you break this back down, it's going to be a sell. Okay. But then we also have this high, low. So if you didn't make it there, also this right, this high. Okay. All right. So this is the game plan right there. I'll remove this. See, right there. I'm going to remove this also. Okay. You can see it's still not bearish. It's not clear that much. Okay. So anything can happen. Let's come back to 5 minutes. We have 3 minutes to go. I close my buy early. It's okay. I closed that buy early. You see, I closed that buy early, but it's okay. It's okay because I'm trading with Apex, and with Apex encourages the system encourages you, or the rules encourage you to scalp, because if you don't, you grow give up, because it's a trailing stop loss. Okay, the stop loss is trailing, and if you are up 1,000 now and the market comes against you, you've just lost that part of your buffer. Okay, and I hope you guys start trading Bitcoin. You're doing well. I have this Bitcoin rig. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a lucky ring, you know. So by the way, the reason why I'm doing this is that this Saturday is my birthday, and I'm just giving praise to God, thanking God for keeping me alive. The last 2-3 years has been turbulent, so so serious, but I'm still here, you know. I started trading Forex 2006, so I've been around for a while. I'm pretty much new to futures. I mean, when I say new, not that maybe I've been trading futures since 2006. I started trading futures last year. So I spent the whole of last year trying to navigate what is going on. And so I have a book that, a report that I wrote, also Beginner's Guide to Mastering Futures Trading. You can see the link also at the description. Then for some of you that, if you understand what is going on now in the cryptos world, you discover that if you don't, there are 3 sets of people in this world. Some don't know what is happening, some know what is happening, but they are not doing anything, and some have no clue. So the cryptos boom era is coming. So make sure you download my report, Crypto's Hidden Riches. The link is also at the description. You see how you leverage with Tonana to kind of cash out. Please, when you are doing all of these things, make sure you don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. Any money you give to you invested or into cryptos, just know that, hey, it's a dash. If it comes back, good. If it doesn't, you are not going to cry. Okay, so right here, to be honest with you, I'm expecting a sell-off. I don't know. I'm not predicting. We don't predict in this market, we react. But with the news now in less than 1 minute, let's see what we got. So I'm going to step down. Okay, the news is released. It's 9 o'clock. Let me see. So I'm going to step down to 1 minute. I caught that my buy early, but it's okay. I'm not going to be trading the news for now. I'm just going to wait for it to take out that high. And like I said, to close back and sell. That is what I'm expecting. But my expectation might be wrong, or my forecast might be wrong. All right. So the news is released. So let's see, 9 o'clock. After 5 minutes, then you want to, before you pull the trigger. Okay. Let's see. You see, most of the times, if there's fundamental news release, it's supposed to be like violently strike through, boom. But then nothing is happening right here. So that's why you need to calm down. Okay, you need to calm down. Make sure that, yeah. So if there's going to be continuation, I will expect it to break out, retest it here, then continue. So that will be what I'll be expecting. Then it has, if you see right now, it has gotten to that, but it has not broken out. Okay, that this is not a breakout. So what I expect is a breakout, retest, then continue. Okay, I expect it to break out, then come back, then continue, or break out. Let me see this one here. So, or break out, retest like this. Break out, for it to break out, then retest and close inside. So this is what I'm actually expecting. Then retest here. Then we know that boom, we are selling down. That this is actually this is the playbook I'm expecting today, personally. This is what I'm expecting. The second one is what I'm expecting. So once again, is 30 minutes traders. Okay, we'll call it 30 minutes traders. The goal is to trade for 30 minutes a day. The news is still, the traders are not still reacting to the news. Okay, but day one we were green. Day two, by His grace, we are green. So it's Saturday is going to be my birthday, and that's why I'm doing this, just to give praise to God and to say thank you to some of you that have always been there for me. It hasn't been easy. It has not been an easy 2 years, 3 years at all. For some of you that have been following me, you know I lost a lot of money. I mean, talking about $2.5 million, that is not just only my money. I have partners that partner with me, and up to now, I can't still explain what happened. I'm telling you sincerely. But then there's nothing you've been through that's a waste. Nothing at all that you've been through that's a waste. So because of that incident, that was actually why I'm trading futures here. And by the way, I'm trading options also in one side. So when something happens to you, you can just stay there, keep crying till you die, or you just say, okay, you know what? Now this has happened. What are you going to do? You know, at church, I taught a topic for almost 6 weeks, and I'll call it A to Z ways of turning failure to success, 26 ways to turn failures to success. When you fail, you are not fail until you give up, and it is not over until it is over. I don't know who I'm talking to. Many people came to learn Forex trading or futures trading during COVID. And as soon as COVID was over, they went back to their job, the job that they don't like. You wake up in the morning, you face traffic, you go to work, you see your supervisor that you don't like anyway. You come back, you complain, you sleep, you wake up the following day, you continue with the routine. So, but you've forgotten that it's not just only COVID 19, there is even financial COVID. So, and I've put in Forex trading, futures trading, options trading, trading generally. I put it, by the side of so many businesses. I'm telling you sincerely, there is none that can withstand. Talking about certifications, I did a lot of certifications. I did a lot of training. I did training on DevOps. I did training on IT auditing. All these, they are not just for me. There are some people that are just psychologically unemployable, and I think I'm one of them. So, by His grace, I've been doing this since 2006, and I just want you guys to know that as long as we still have human beings spending money, Forex, futures, options will always, always, always be here. Okay. There's a boom of this IT right now. By next year, another one will come. Every technology changes after 5 years. So, okay. So we have these breakouts, as you can see right there. It's looking like we are going to have that reversal that I was expecting. This is up. This is, if you go to 15 minutes now, you will see it clearly. So we've taken out that high. Okay, we've taken this high. I'm expecting it on 5 minutes to close back inside. Let me put my indicator previous high. By the way, for some of you that have been private message me, which indicator is this? This Tradermatic 360 is my own proprietary trading software. If you are familiar with Tradermatic, original Tradermatic, so it was just converted to TradingView version. So if you are interested, you can chat with me and can talk about how you get it, but it's not going to be free, okay? Because I spent a lot of money developing all this stuff. So what I'm expecting is here to close back, okay? Once it closes back, I'm going to be putting a sell 1 to 2 risk to reward, okay? Ratio. Okay, once again, it's been over 30 minutes. The goal is to trade for 30 minutes a day and just go about doing other things. So once again, I want to thank you guys and I want to appreciate you for always being there. Happy birthday to me in advance. I can't believe it's like I'm getting old. Oh my God. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And tomorrow is going to be I think I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, but we're still going to trade. But it's going to be a very quick trading. And I'm also trying to look into my schedule to see how to put up a training. Some of you want to, you want to flip account. So we're going to be doing a flipping, small account flipping mastery. We're going to be doing that. I will let you guys know. And once again, focus on the charts, and the chart will bring the Lambo. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.